Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and from today we are going to start a new series of videos about the scope of different BS programs offered in Pakistan. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for the latest alerts about these videos. So let us begin with the first video of our series today, which is on BS Biotechnology. So we will be discussing in detail what the BS Biotechnology program is about, its introduction, eligibility criteria, institutes that are offering degrees related to biotechnology, and the scope and career opportunities particularly which are mostly asked by the students, and that if we have done BS Biotechnology or we are intended to do BS Biotechnology, then what will be the scope of degree and career opportunities for us. So first of all, introducing the concept of biotechnology. Biotechnology is basically the use of living systems to develop useful products. If you are going to develop any product that is going to benefit humanity or going to be industrialized for any valuable product, then you are doing biotechnology using the living system specially. Depending on the applications, it may overlap with certain fields of biology. So biotechnology is not an isolated science, rather it is an interdisciplinary concept involving biochemistry, molecular biology, genetics, bioinformatics, and several other subjects or aspects of these subjects collectively make up the field of biotechnology. So it is a very emerging science, innovative science, and currently the world is very much interested in the developments of biotechnology. Coming towards the eligibility and duration of the degree of BS Biotechnology program, you need at least 50% marks in FSc pre-medical in order to secure admission in BS Biotechnology. The merit in public sector universities is pretty much higher in comparison to other emerging sciences degrees like microbiology, molecular biology, or other comparative degree programs. Biotechnology is getting more popular in Pakistan these days, and the merit is certainly getting higher with every passing year. 4 years honors degree program is offered as a BS program, so you do not need to take admission in BSc or MSc programs, as now only the BS program is acceptable within Pakistan as well as internationally. So make sure that you are going to do a 4 years honors degree program as BS Biotechnology. So each semester will be of 6 months duration, and you are going to have 8 semesters in total. That becomes a 4 years degree program. So in addition to 50% marks in FSc pre-medical at least, you need to clarify the admission test of the university. That can be in the form of HEC test, or the university can conduct its own test for admission purpose. Coming towards the fee structure of BS Biotechnology program, so it can vary greatly these days, as due to inflation the fee structure of many universities has changed, but I can give you a rough estimate that if you are targeting any public sector universities, then it will be between 30,000 to 80,000 rupees per semester. And if you are taking admission in private sector institutes, then it can start from a minimum of 1 lakh to a maximum of 2,20,000 rupees per semester. So make sure that you secure good grades in FSc pre-medical so that you can take admission in public sector universities and save a lot of money. So coming towards which universities are offering BS Biotechnology, there are a long list of universities these days in Pakistan that are offering BS Biotechnology. So we will be discussing here only the top 10 institutes which you can secure admission to pursue your BS Biotechnology program. First of all, University of Punjab, Lahore. Second is Government College University, Lahore. Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad is a very credible institute in the field of biotechnology. Government College University, Faisalabad's biotechnology department is really developed, and I did my own BS Biotechnology degree from Government College University, Faisalabad. University of Agriculture Faisalabad is a well-known institute regarding biotechnology. ComSat's University Islamabad is a good option. Kohat University of Science and Technology also offers BS Biotechnology. International Islamic University Islamabad, University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences Lahore, and University of Karachi are among the top 10 universities that are offering BS Biotechnology program. So coming towards the major areas of specialization after BS program or within the BS program, if you have thesis, you can opt for one of these majors to pursue your research in one of these areas. So biotechnology can be further characterized or specialized into health biotechnology, where you study the aspects of health aspects of biotechnological products, like cancer biology is included in this. Genomics, health related genomics is included in this. Health biotechnology aspects, all studies related to genetics are included here, vaccine development, etc. Epidemic related studies are also included in health biotechnology. So it is a vast field and there is a great funding available in this domain as well. Then the second option is plant biotechnology. Pakistan, being an agricultural country, is much inclined or focused towards studying plant biotechnology and related products. So if you have ever heard about the development of new seeds, new plant varieties in agriculture, disease resistance, pesticide development, so all these aspects of agricultural biotechnology or plant biotechnology are studied in plant biotechnology domain. Then the third option is industrial biotechnology. All the bioprocessing industries such as the food industry or the other bioenergy industry, biofuel industry, petroleum industry, all such industries that involve the use of microbes to prepare industrial products are included in this domain of industrial biotechnology. Though Pakistan has a limited number of industries working on the biotechnological applications, but this area is an interesting area. As well as you can go towards food biotechnology or biofuels after completing a research in industrial biotechnology. It has a good scope outside Pakistan, but within Pakistan the scope is limited. Environmental biotechnology deals with all the aspects of improving environment. It can include marine biotechnology, it can include ecological aspects of plants or forests. So all these areas are included in environmental biotechnology. Furthermore, bioremediation aspects or dealing with the pollution, dealing with wastewater treatment, all such areas are included in environmental biotechnology. Again, the scope within Pakistan is less of industrial biotechnology and environmental biotechnology, but outside Pakistan there is a great scope of these fields as well. So regarding the areas of specialization, biotechnology can be divided into these areas, and specific colors are associated with each of these fields. So red color is associated with health, medical or diagnostic aspects of biotechnology. Yellow color is used for food biotechnology or nutrition sciences. Blue color is associated with marine biotechnology, that studies the marine life as well as aquaculture or coastal areas. Then green biotechnology is associated with agricultural environmental aspects including biofertilizer development, pesticide development, biofuels, bioremediation and geomicrobiology. So then we have brown color, which is associated with arid zone or desert biotechnology. Dark color, which is associated with bioterrorism, biowarfare, biocrimes, anti-crop warfare. As you may be aware of this concept of bioterrorism, the development of anything that could harm the population of humanity using living systems is called bioterrorism. So there is a Department of Defense against bioterrorism these days of all the governments. So this is termed as a dark color. Black color represents bioterrorism or biowarfare. Purple color is associated with patents, publications, inventions or IPRs. White color with gene based bioindustries, like the development of the replacement of organs is included here. gene therapy. The concept of gene therapy is included in the white color. Gold color represents bioinformatics and nanobiotechnology, which are the emerging areas of biotechnology. Gray color represents classical fermentation and bioprocess technology, which is used at the industrial level. So coming towards the research centers that offer the degrees of biotechnology as well as are doing good research in the area of biotechnology. So we have included top institutes from the major cities here working in Pakistan. First of all, we have National Institute for Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, that is also known as NIBG, in Faisalabad. It is one of the most renowned institutes, particularly focused on biotechnology. Ayub Agriculture Research Center, which is specialized in the plant biotechnology field. It is also in Faisalabad. Nuclear Institute for Agriculture and Biotechnology, NAIAB, is also located in Faisalabad. Agriculture Biotechnology Institute, National Agricultural Research Center, NARC, Islamabad. It is again a very good institute, a credible institute working in biotechnology. Biomedical and Genetic Engineering Division, Dr. A.Q. Khan Research Laboratories, Islamabad. Dr. A.Q. Institute of Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, Karachi. Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, University of Karachi. Center for Excellence in Molecular Biology, University of Punjab, Lahore. Biotechnology and Food Research Center, PCSIR Laboratories, Lahore. It is the only institute that is working on industrial biotechnology aspect particularly. So if you are interested in industrial biotechnology, do know more about PCSIR Laboratories, Lahore. Institute of Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, NWFP Agriculture, University Peshawar. Institute of Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, University of Sindh, Jamshoro. Central Cotton Research Institute, Shujabad Road, Multan. So you can see from these research institutes that Pakistani government or researchers are more inclined or more focused towards plant biotechnology. So if you are looking for a career option within Pakistan, then do focus on plant biotechnology. Career options after BS Biotechnology. So I will be exploring the career options, possible career options, not within Pakistan only, but as on a global level. What you can opt a career after doing BS Biotechnology. These are the possible options. First of all, you can join any research center as a researcher. As we have mentioned a long list of research centers working in biotechnology in Pakistan, there are several seats announced for research associates, research assistants, lab technicians. So you can join any of these positions in the research center. Second option is the position of lab technician in the diagnostic labs or research labs. So lab technicians are required in the diagnostic labs, particularly like Chuktai lab or Shokat Khanam. Such laboratories require lab technicians. So if you have hands-on expertise in the molecular biology techniques, biochemistry techniques, then you can go for this position as well. Biostatistician or data scientist. In today's world, there is an emerging concept of big data analysis. There is a huge amount of data that needs to be interpreted and results are need to be driven. So you can also work as a biostatistician. If you have done any internship or specialization in the field, you can work with the data scientist as a biostatistician. Environmental scientist. Ministry of Climate Change offers certain positions related to environmental sciences. So you can also work as a environmental scientist if you have done your research or you have specialized in the area of environmental biotechnology. Epidemiologist. After the COVID situation, this profession has emerged as a new or major profession for the biological scientists. So you can work as an epidemiologist in the government organizations. Medical representative in pharma industry. So there is a position of medical reps, or you can say medical researcher in the pharma industry. You can join them as well. Quality controller in the pharma industry, cosmetics industry, textile industry, petroleum industry. All these industries has a position of quality controller. So if it in your industry involves any microbial activity, so you can be considered for this position. Food safety officer in food industry, food quality controller can also be the position in food industry for the biotechnology degree holders. Then the next option is you can join any educational institute for teaching biology or biotechnology. You can join different journals or publishers as medical writers or editors. As you know that all the scientific data is published in journals, and there is a big industry of journals and publishers that offer several positions for medical writers or editors. You can join them as well. As a biochemist in manufacturing industry, the textile industry, petroleum industry, any microbial product making industry can consider you as a biochemist. Agricultural officer, again the government organizations offer specific position as a agricultural officer. So if you have majored in plant biotechnology, you can be considered for this position. Marine biologist, there is a big number of marine biologist positions offered by the government organizations. You can consider that if you have specialized in marine biology or biotechnology. Forensics officer, this is one of the major areas that are opted after BS biotechnology. So if you are interested in health biotechnology, forensics is one of the major key areas where you can focus. So there are several forensic labs at the government level as well as at the public sector, so you can join them as forensics officer. Bioenergy specialist, as renewable energy is an emerging concept, all the industries associate the wastewater treatment plant or bioenergy production plant along with the industry, so you can work there as a bioenergy specialist. Medical officer, there is a position of medical officer in all the hospitals. So if you have any degree related to biological sciences, particularly BS biotechnology, you can apply as a medical officer in the hospitals. So this was all about the introduction, eligibility, scope and career options about BS biotechnology. Hope you have a good idea about this degree, and you will share this video with all your friends or juniors who are looking forward to choose this career path. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that you do not miss any video alerts. This is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.